125.
Ha?
Hindi po.
68?
60. 125
Oo, tumama ka na yun.
Oo nga. Okay, tumama.
So last call for that one action, 1199 and 94. Last call,
Gusto lang tumama ng 500.
Last call, red hot.
It's okay.
Tangin. So 500 lang. Isa lang yun ng isang card.
Alam yun. Pinalit ko ng pinalit, di ba? Hindi ko pinalis doon. Ah, Lord, thank you so much. Whew.
Bawi din.
Zero,
Okay
zero.
lang. Okay lang.
68 last, 51, 32, 30, and 8. That's one for the winner. Any others?
Waiting ka pa.
Any others?
Ha?
Waiting ka pa, hindi mo.
Okay, nagko-concentrate ako, no?
Scarlet. If now we're closing that game.
Yes!
One good winner, Petal, give it $500.
Yes!
Swin action seller, please see Maria.
Yeah.
Swin action seller, Scarlet. Scarlet. See Maria. Last call for your prices again.
Ha?
Also last call for your two big taps out there. $1,500 game right hot and that twin action $11.99.
Ano daw, ano daw?
Last call for that boy social game, last call.
Hard to hold, and now you get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Last call for your floor, last call. Marcus, let me know when you are ready.
What we did? What happened?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I thought it look like it's not.
Okay. You seem like me, right?
I know, yeah. Parang kulang kayo na pero kayo na dapat bigyan na nag-completo.
Last call for Rachel Manila, Marcus is walking the floor. Last call, last call.